I decided to make my grandson Tate a mini journal. He turns 12 this following week, so I will be using these rings from Tim Holtz to hold the pages of the journal together, and the covers are made from 2 pieces of cardstock. It's a very easy journal to put together. Basically, these rings will hold the pages together. 2 rings is all that is required since it's a very small journal measuring 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I have used lined paper that was coffee stained. I have also used created pockets using coin rollers, and these pockets will help me put pictures or ephemera inside the journal. I also used scrapbooking paper, and I did a little bit of stitching. That is a playing card since he is into doing magic tricks. And some more coffee stain scrapbooking paper and another playing card. And now I'm getting ready to put the cover and close the rings. Very easy to put together and did not take me too much time. Sometimes I like to stitch my journals, but I've been having fun using these rings. So now I'm looking through some of his pictures and I will place them inside the journal, and he will be able to see how much he has changed through the years. I've found some ephemera, some images of magic tricks, playing cards and magic tricks, so I will also include those in the journal. And as I include the pictures, I will write down when the picture was taken, how old he was. He is going to love this. It's just so much fun to make a mini journal instead of just handing him a birthday card. This is something that he can keep and even write down his own memories, his own thoughts. I have done journals for all of my grandchildren this year, and so this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this journal.